Hi there, it's Rose. Welcome back. Today I wanted to share this fun little Halloween craft kit that I just picked up. It's from Mondo Llama. I hope I'm pronouncing that right, but it's Create Your Own Gem Art Characters Kit. And what I think it actually is a diamond painting kit of these adorable Halloween icons. So a little ghost, Frankenstein, the bat, the pumpkin tower, and the black cat. So let's get into this little kit and see what it's all about, and then I'll put some of these together and we'll take a look. So here is a closer look at everything that comes in the kit. Now I'm pretty impressed because for $5 you get 5 very large Halloween diamond paintings. This is the jack-o'-lantern tower, and you can see how large that is. And of course you get all the little bits and pieces that you need for putting it together. And you get that for each of these. So the bat, the cat, the pumpkin tower, the Frankenstein, and the little boo ghost. You get the stylists. You get 2 stylists and the little tacky glue to add on the end of those, and then some twine if you want to hang them up. Now, each of these does have a little spot on the top where you can thread that twine through, or you can use ribbon, or you can actually even snip that little piece off and use this on an embellishment on a Halloween project, a journal, or a junk journal. I just think they're adorable, and I think it's going to be a really fun little kit to try out. And I've only done one other diamond painting before, and that was also a Halloween piece, but it was a large canvas. And some of the diamond paintings look really beautiful, but they also look a little bit more intimidating, and you have to sometimes use a light board and all of that to see that. But this might be the kind of thing that is just a quick and easy Halloween project, maybe one that you might want to share with some friends. And because you can actually send them this, all the little bits are included, and if they have a stylus, they can go right to work with it. If they don't have one, you get 2 in the kit, so you can share one with a friend. I think it's great value for $5, so I'm going to get into it, try these out, and then I'll come back and show you what I created. Okay, so I have finished these up, and let's take a final look at each one. Now on a few of them I've added some seam binding ribbon, like I have on this little black cat. I added some black seam binding, even though I'm not sure exactly what I will do with these, if I'm going to add them on journals or exactly how I might display them. But for a few I added some seam binding just to see what it looks like, because they do have that hole already in the top. Now, as I mentioned, you can kind of cut around that if you are not going to utilize the hole. It would be very easy to just snip off that little ring there, and so you can add it to, a journal or anything else that you wanted to use for display. So here's the little black cat. And here's the Frankenstein. I just thought he came out so cute. I love the colors that they selected for creating these, so he's really a lot of fun. Beautiful, vibrant colors in that one, and just so easy and fun to put together. Here's another favorite that I have, is the adorable little ghost with the boo and the little half moon here and some stars. So cute. And here's the pumpkins, this pumpkin stack. I added some orange seam binding to the top of this one. And then finally, the little bat. Isn't he cute? So these were so much fun to put together. I would definitely buy another kit like this if they have it if they have it next year, or if they have a different one, or one for Christmas, because I just think they are really adorable and so much fun to put together. It's kind of that mindless crafting that you can kind of do when you're watching TV, even great way to relax, but yet still do some fun crafting. So that is my share for today. I hope you enjoyed taking a look. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button. I have many more Halloween crafts that I'll be sharing before the end of the season. And then when we get into Thanksgiving, I'll have some fun fall crafts and then some crafts for Christmas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.